So I got this beautiful unit via DHL, and I believe the shipping was about 2 to 3 days. So the company is called SuperbWigs, and this is the packaging that the wig came in. Very nice sturdy box, and it was very well packaged. So this is the wig. This is a lace front wig, you guys. I will have all of the information down below in the description box. As you can see, it did come with 2 net caps in case you want to use those. I don't really use those kinds, so yeah, those are just go in my drawer. So it did have tissue paper on the inside just to keep the shape of the unit, and this is what the wig looks like on the inside. This wig does come with a lot of parting space. I believe it's 6 inches. Does have 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it also has adjustable straps along with a little bit of lace on the back in case you wanted to put your wig in an updo. So of course, this is what the unit looks like once the lace is cut off. I would suggest using a cap that fits your complexion if you're going to get a unit like this, because as you can see, my cap did not fit my complexion, and it was okay because later on in the video I did add some of my face powder to the parting space. So I just wanted to slow this part down for you guys. This beautiful burgundy color is just everything, and again, it's 22 inches. I believe it's longer. I am 5'2" for reference, in case you guys just wanted to know, you know, how it falls on me. I'm only 5'2", so I'm rather short, and this wig falls really long, as you guys can see. So here I'm just gonna part my hair. I'm doing a middle part. It's been a while since I did a middle part, so you guys already know the drill. I'm taking my Irresistible Me curling wand and just taking that wiggy look out of the wig and just flattening out that parting space. And again, like I said, I went in with my powder foundation in the parting space. So I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but the wig is 150% density, so you get a lot of hair. This hair is very thick, and it's also silky at the same time, if that makes sense. So I did go in with my flat iron just to, you know, make it a little more straight, and it does take heat rather well. I believe my flat iron was on, I would say 400. Yeah, so it takes heat rather well, and it, as you can see, it straightened the hair very quick. It's so beautiful. I did not receive any shedding or tangling or anything like that with this unit. I absolutely love it, and I don't have it adhered to my head, you guys, so the adjustable straps work just fine. I didn't need to use the combs either. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think about this wig down below in the comment section, and if you're interested, again, all of the information will be down below in the description box. Let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yeah, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.